What time is it, you say? Well, it's Ask the Judge time, naturally. Judge Larry Thorne joining us back here to talk about some of the important legal questions of our time. Folks around their neighborhood saying, you know what, I've got this problem. I sure wish I had the answer. And that's what Judge Larry Thorne is all about.
Yes.
Shall we talk?
Yes,
well,
I did that earlier today when I was just out and about.
Yeah.
I answered a question.
You asked. I bet you did today.
Yeah.
Our first question, what legal recourse do I have when I transferred a vehicle into someone else's name? They had a wreck. Now I'm being sued because I can't prove I did a transfer because of privacy law. I cannot go get papers showing the transfer and their insurance coverage. So what can I do?
Well, first of all,
Legal.
privacy law doesn't apply. I don't know where they're getting
I wondered
that.
about that
But
as well, yeah.
You have 30 days, folks, to file a transfer of title notification. That's what the law is. You need to do that so things like this do not happen.
Are they saying maybe they don't have a copy of the transfer?
It's obvious that this person did not go down and do that.
Yeah, yeah.
They need to do that now.
So they still could do that.
They could still do that. But with regard to this lawsuit, they're going to need to find evidence in somebody who witnessed the transfer or that you deposited money for the sale. Or that you canceled your insurance and the day that you did that. You need to provide evidence so that they'll throw this suit out.
Evidence, the name of the game, as always, right? Secondly, tonight, can an officer search my car if they smell marijuana or suspect it? Can they search it? What kind of evidence do they have to search? If they just smell it, do they have reasonable suspicion?
Let me see. That would be yes.
A definite yes.
Yes, that's definite yes. That doesn't even have to be a strong odor. It can just be a little odor.
Yeah.
They have it's called probable cause. And
it's wide latitude.
Yeah, they've got probable cause. They don't need a search warrant. They can search your car, ask you to step out, search your car. Folks, that's just not a good deal to be smoking marijuana in your car, because if you get stopped, you're going to get searched, and if you've got a little bit in there, you're going to go to jail, directly to jail, and not pass go.
All right. Finally tonight, the big question, do I have to give my ex-spouse visitation rights?
You know, we deal with this sort of thing all the time. I can only think of just several instances when this, when you may not have to do that. One is that your ex-spouse is actually not the biological spouse of or person of that child. Say it's the mother that has custody and doesn't want to give her ex-spouse. Well, if her ex-spouse was a stepdad, no, you don't. Yeah. Another way would be if there is no decree, if there's no judgment that says that there's visitation, then you don't. Otherwise, if there's a decree that says that somebody's got visitation, you follow that decree. That is just, it's no different than somebody paying child support. If they don't pay, they get a contempt, they can go to jail. If you don't give visitation when it's ordered,
it's almost always in there on standard cases, right?
Yeah. Yes. So
thank you, sir.
I don't know why, what the situation is here, but
great to see you, man.
It's good to be here.
I appreciate you so much. And if you have questions for our Ask the Judge segment, just fill out that form at 12newsnow.com/askthejudge. Patrick Vaughn back in just a moment with the final check of the forecast.